So we're here on this job. We're having to fit about 4 rads, but the biggest beast of a rad is so heavy and it has to go on this plasterboard wall. So we've had to take some of the plasterboard out so that we can put some noggins in behind just to support it. Otherwise, the rad's literally just going to fall off the wall. So yeah, fun job. Bit of every trade today. So yeah, fun job. Having to cut the wall out, just to put some noggins in, otherwise the rad's going to fall off the wall and we don't really want that. So, doing a carpentry job now. What's wrong with it? What, because you've got a big daddy one?
I just want to talk about size earlier.
Plumbers doing carpentry. It's great, isn't it? Something's got me started. Right, noggins are done behind. Didn't get video of it because I forgot. Just got to do the other one now. Fill all this, rub it down, paint it. You know, what are we today? Carpenters, plumbers, paint and decorators.
We do everything anyway.
Yeah.
We didn't have to.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, love these jobs. Look at that. Never know. Bit of paint on it. Happy days. Yeah, so we're on this job today. Going to put this 3-column radiator on the wall. Just got to move some of the pipe work to bring it in because it was a can't even speak. Humongous rad in there before, and yeah, they want a nice designer one put on there. So yeah. That's it. Rad's on the wall. Spot on. Just got to pipe it up now, and then we're out of here. So we've got these nice valves to be put in. Obviously, I've been doing a lot of videos on the Flowmaster liquid PTFE. To be honest with you, I'm not a lover of it. I'm gonna give it the benefit of doubt and try the jet blue. Because everyone keeps saying to me, use jet blue, I've never had a problem with it. But for now, good old PTFE. Gonna use that. That's it, valves are on. Just got to cut the pipe back now, reroute it. Same on there as well. And that's it. So I started filling up. And can you see what numpty's done on that rad? Or what he's forgot to do before filling up? Comment down below. That's it, job done. Come out alright. On to the next one.